The Sea Breeze is a refreshing and tangy cocktail perfect for summer days, combining the flavors of cranberry juice, grapefruit juice, and vodka. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces vodka, a neutral spirit, 3 ounces cranberry juice, unsweetened is preferable, 1 ounce grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed if possible. Garnish with lime wedge for added zest and color. For equipment you will need highball glass, mixing spoon, measuring jigger, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Pour the vodka over the ice. Add cranberry juice and grapefruit juice into the glass. Stir gently with the mixing spoon to combine the ingredients. Garnish with a lime wedge on the rim of the glass. Serve immediately and enjoy. The Sea Breeze emerged in popularity during the 1980s, becoming a favored drink for its light and refreshing flavors. Originally, it included gin and grenadine, but the modern version highlights vodka and fruit juices.